Namaste. Markets nowadays are flooded with avlas, which are extremely beneficial for our health. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, they are small, sour, and greenish yellow in color. Because of its innumerable magical benefits, it has been titled as super fruit. Since centuries, aulas have been used by our ancestors because it's really magical, be it for hair, be it for skin, be it for general health. Amla, as it is very sour, though it can be eaten raw, it's better to use it in different ways to cut down that strong taste. So, amla can be consumed in form of juices, pickles, murabba, dry powder, etc. So today let's discuss the magical use of Amla in our day-to-day routine. Amla is full of antioxidants, so it is a great help in reversing the signs of premature aging. So helps in reducing wrinkles, fine lines and pigmentation. It also helps to fight skin infections because of its antibacterial and astringent properties. Amla is rich in vitamin C, which helps in collagen formation. Mix amla powder with rose water and curd and apply it as a face mask. Use amla oil for the body, apply it nicely, leave it for a while and then take bath. Amla stimulates the hair growth and improves the hair quality. It also purifies blood and prevents premature graying of hair. Too much of iron can lead to free radicals, which are chemicals which are harmful to your health. Our brain cells are high in iron, which can make it more sensitive to harm. Amla contains citric acid, which prevents iron from accumulating in the cells, which lowers the risk of diseases such as Alzheimer's and stroke. Amla, as we all know, is rich in vitamin C and helps boost immunity. It stimulates the growth of phagocytes, which are the immune cells, which help destroy harmful intruders. Amla is excellent for diabetes. It helps in control blood sugar level by preventing pancreatitis. In addition to vitamin C, amla is also rich in vitamin A, which helps promote eye health. Amla is rich in antioxidants and potassium, which helps maintain heart health. So, amla a day keeps the doctor away. So, incorporate it in your routine and have it daily.